Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 11 July 2018, 02 of hour, 55 of minute and 26 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, where do the most rogue waves occur? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about where do the most rogue waves occur. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about where do the most rogue waves occur. It was one of the first observations of a rogue wave with a digital instrument, Janssen says. These so-called freak waves are not confined to the Atlantic Ocean or North Sea. One of the places rogue waves appear to happen most frequently is off the southeast coast of South Africa. Last update December 3, 2012. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.